morning I found this app, bookwidget.com, and I found this very interesting. And from lots of days, I am actually searching some of the online tools. And today I got actually in the Google form, there are so many restrictions are there when there is an various types of questions that you want to go with. But this I have to check how much of costing, but and how much days it free, and these all things. Please, I will surely add within 8 or 10 days one video on my YouTube channel about this book widget. So you please watch that for the more details, and you just see how the things will be there. Go on book widgets. They will ask you my widgets, and you can create in the add questions. And the beauty of this, there are so many types of questions. I will show you on the opening with this one last, and then we'll go ahead. So I will directly show rather than this, so that yeah, so this is an website of book widget, and you have to just click start free, and you just go with Google, sign up with Google, and if I sign it with Google, and here there is an option create widget. So you just click on widget. These are the options. So I will just click on the quiz, because I had also not gone much more details about this, but you can having a exit slip, ask your students 2 questions about today's class, flashcards, split worksheet, slip whiteboard, web quest. A web quest is an inquiry-oriented lesson format. Make freehand drawings on a note, worksheets. Then we have to game-based also, bingo card, crossword, hangman, jigsaw puzzles, memory game, mind map. So there are so many options that you can do. Just I am showing you one options here. So I had tried to make certain quiz at morning, and I will show you. So the beauty of this, once you click on this add questions, they will ask you which types of question. This was an actually I want. Whether you want to go with text format of question, multiple choice हमें पता है, text multiple choice, multiple answers वो भी हमें पता है, single line text questions, answer with a single word or sentence. ये important है यहाँ पे, जो आप Socrative में use कर सकते हैं, Google form में आप use नहीं कर सकते. You can't use the fill in the blanks. You have to give the options to fill in the blanks also. So, but here and in Socrative, I told you can use it. Single line text question, multi-line text question, a descriptive type, rich text questions, fill in the blanks question, multiple blanks lines है. ये बहुत बढ़िया है यहाँ पे tools कि एक पैराग्राफ में आप 4-5 जगह blank words दे सकते हैं, and it's automatically get assessed. Mark sentence, आपने half sentence लिखा है, half sentence उसको लिखना है. Drag words and sentence, correct words and sentence, fill in the table questions, question table, then annotate picture, diagram है उसको नाम देना है. This is the very interesting tools I like. You should practice it whether it is there, how we can use it. And whiteboard questions, again you can use a whiteboard. फोटो भी आप फोटो क्वेश्चंस भी आप दे सकते हैं. वर्ड ऑर्डरिंग क्वेश्चंस, ऑर्डर करो, ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप, उसको ठीक तरह से करो. देन पिक्चर मल्टीपल चॉइस, ये जो आपने देखते हैं पिक्चर्स को कैसे सीक्वेंस करना है, all these types of questions that you can do generally. It's asked as an intelligence type of questions, और GK में बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, so you can use this. Picture multi-select questions, and then audio recording questions. You can speak the questions, that questions will get asked. I like all these options very much. Word match question, जो matching का हमने बताया था, that also possible. Word picture questions, एक बाजू में word है, दूसरे बाजू में pictures है, वो भी आप कर सकते हो. Picture match questions. Then audio and word match questions. एक जगह पे आपने audio किया है और उसको pronounce करके लिखना है, so you can say this. So that's why I told you I like it very much, and you are lucky that you will get today fresh knowledge of these tools. I didn't heard from anywhere so far, but I don't know how I got this and I had bring to you. I have to work on much more on this. Text and drag and drop. You can drag and drop. Picture drag and drop. Pictures को भी आप drag drop कर सकते हो. Group items कर सकते हो. Related multiple choice questions है. Numeric answers questions है. Balanced chemical equations. This is very beautiful. Those who are chemistry teachers will going to love these balanced chemical questions and iconic compound builder type of questions. So that's the very beautiful tools that you can think to go with these book widgets, and you can select so many questions